Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2685th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Let's go, guys, gals, traders out there. Let's go. It is Wednesday. It's a middle of the week. It's in between Christmas and New Year's holiday. Generally, the market will rally up during this week called the Santa Claus rally. It sets up early in the month, and then late in the month, it usually finishes or at least continues its rally. And that is what we're seeing. This video is being filmed on Wednesday for trading on Wednesday, probably through Thursday. That's 12/27/2023. Remember the risk involved in trading. Never, ever trade without putting in stops. Put your protective stops in first before you ever enter into a trading position. All right, so Dow Jones Industrial Average, the daily bar chart. Look at how well this channel has just kept this market in check all the way up. Just perfectly. If it gets near it, the 200 ball moving average worked here. Kind of helps the channel out. From there, the channel just seems to work all the way top and bottom. And look at all the holds we're doing this week, last week, and this week. So the Santa rally, which on 11/14/23 we had this gap and this chart was created, and I said, say hello to Santa, and the Santa rally should begin, and look at what has happened since. So, you know, trading opportunities arise. I was going to take this week off, but last night I saw some decent trade setups. Gave them out to my OMNIACs, and we were able to buy basically the lows in S&P and NASDAQ this morning. Excuse me, S&P and Russell. So thank you, Omni, for that. And now we're looking at what could happen for Wednesday into Wednesday night, Thursday. I think more of the same. You can buy the dips. What would make this continue to hold inside this channel and rally higher? Something like this. Look at your 30-year T-bonds daily bar chart. Interest rates are dropping rapidly, which propels the stock market. Nice bull flag, Oscarism F flag we're breaking out of to the upside. Bonds have literally exploded from the 107s to the 125, almost 126 area. That means interest rates are dropping. That propels the stock market. When interest rates drop, bond market, the 30-year bond market rallies. Interest rates drop. Now, Jerome Powell, the Fed, does not have to come out and say a word to lower rates. They get lowered inherently, automatically, when T-bond futures move higher like this. So that is propelling the stock market. You can continue to buy dips for now. We are day traders. We'll look at it one day at a time. But Wednesday into Wednesday night, Thursday, it looks like we're still buying dips. If that changes, I'll be sure to let you know. Happy New Year, everybody out there. Happy New Year's to all of you. Have a great holiday. Be careful, be safe, enjoy your families. Make your crazy resolutions that you will not stick to when it comes to Jan and Feb. And I will see you all right after the new year. Thank you for tuning in. Love you, cats. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in. We will address the year-end targets when the year comes to an end. Have a great end of your week, traders.